Ladies and gentlemen, quick question. How many of you are tired of stick vacuums that promise the world but run out of battery faster than your phone on TikTok? We've all been there. Half a room clean, battery dead, frustration rising. Well, today I am going to show you why the Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum is the game changer you would have been waiting for. And trust me, this isn't just another vacuum. It's your new everyday cleaning partner. Want to see it for yourself? The link is waiting in the description and the first comment. Stick with me, because what I'm about to share will save you time, frustration, and maybe even your sanity. Most of us have tried cordless stick vacuums, right? They're light, they're trendy, they're fine for quick jobs, until they choke on cat litter or fail on grout lines. That's where I was, literally sweeping grout with a broom. Then I switched to the Shark HV322, and wow, 1 or 2 passes and those grout lines look new. The suction on tile floors, honestly, it blew me away. So much that I had to hold down one of my rugs just to keep it from moving. This vacuum is powerful, and when I say powerful, I mean suction that picks up dust, kitty litter, kibble, and crumbs you don't even notice until the LED headlights expose them. Whoever added headlights to vacuums deserves an award, though maybe not for showing me how dirty my floors really were. And furniture? My upright is great, but can't get under couches without a fight. My canister? Strong but cumbersome. The Shark HV322 solves that with its slim, lightweight, and super maneuverable design. At under 9 pounds, I carry it around effortlessly, weaving under tables, reaching corners, and yes, even enjoying the process. Another big win? The cord. And I know what you're thinking. A cord? Really? But here's the truth. The cord is long enough to handle room after room without stopping, and unlike cordless vacuums, it doesn't quit after 15 minutes. You get reliable suction from start to finish. After years of weak batteries, plugging in feels like freedom. Pet owners, this is for you. I've got a golden retriever puppy, and what starts as cute fluff quickly becomes hair everywhere. This vacuum doesn't flinch. 1 pass and carpets are spotless, pet hair gone. It even does better on area rugs than any other stick vac I've tried. Plus, the attachments are fantastic. From crevice tools to dusting brushes, you can hit couches, stairs, cars, and tight corners without stress. And since it converts into a handheld, it's basically 2 vacuums in one. Now, no product is perfect. The dirt cup is small, so you'll empty it more often with pets. It's also a bit heavier than cordless sticks. But here's the trade-off. The cleaning power makes up for it. Emptying the cup is quick, and I'd rather dump dirt than vacuum twice. The Shark feels durable, not flimsy, and at this price, it's a real value. Even my housekeeper, who gave it a 3.5 because of the cup size and cord, admits it cleans like a pro. Me, I call it a 5-star buy. It's lightweight, powerful, bagless, and consistent. Another detail I love. It transitions from hard floors to carpets with ease. No fiddling, no stress, just glide. And when I say maneuverable, I mean it. You'll find yourself zigzagging under chairs like a pro, maybe even humming while you clean. Cleaning stops being a chore and starts feeling like a quick win. So if you're tired of flimsy cordless vacuums, fed up with grout, pet hair, and dust bunnies under the couch, this Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum is your solution. Strong suction, long cord, lightweight design, versatile attachments, and headlights that spotlight dirt. It's the complete package. Honestly, it makes you wonder why you put up with less for so long. To wrap it up, if you want power that delivers and a vacuum that won't quit, this is it. The link is in the description and first comment. Click it, check it out, and thank yourself later. Because life's too short for weak vacuums and dirty grout. And hey, if you want to impress your cat or golden retriever with spotless floors, this is how you do it. Trust me, they'll notice. Or at least, you will. Either way, everybody wins.